Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can put QR code scanner right on your mobile home screen. See here, I'll also test by scanning this QR code, the sample QR codes. First of all, see here, right now I kept two QR code scanners. One is PhonePe QR code scanner, one is Google Lens scanner. First, let me open this and just let me scan. See here. Immediately it is scanning those search barcode, or I'll just search this. I'll be tapping on this, right? So this is working, right? And this is the PhonePe scanner, and this is PhonePe scanner. I'll tell you how you can keep both of these. First, let me remove these two quickly. I'll be removing these two. No need to install any other app, okay? Right within your apps only you can put the QR code on your home screen. Now just press and hold on your home screen and click on this widgets option. And for normal QR code scanner, you need to click on this Google and just drag and drop this Google search bar, where you can have multiple options. You can directly use this Google search. You can get to know the weather updates, and here is the Google Lens QR code scanner, where you can, with one tap, you can scan any QR code. Okay, the next thing is PhonePe QR code scanner for faster payments. If you visit a grocery shop or a tea shop, click on the press and hold on the home screen and click on widgets and go to the PhonePe and drag and drop this. That's it. This is how you can easily put QR code scanner on your home screen. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.